friends, this is Daniel Aldie. The other day somebody asked me, Daniel, how do you do your financial planning? Look, I'm going to tell you straight off the bat, financial planning is not the most important thing to do. What really matters is financial consciousness. The way you think, the way you feel, the way you act toward your money. Because a lot of people think that they have to budget. A lot of people think that they have to manage their credit. And all those things are important. But what's really more important is how you feel about your money. Because money reacts to your attitudes about it. And the way you're conscious about your money will determine what kind of money you'll be getting. Remember, there's only 7 things you can do with money. Earn, spend, save, invest, give, pay debts, and of course gamble. But we don't want to do the last one. What we want to do is be conscious of where our money is going. We have to be conscious of our financial habits and what we actually need in order to maintain the money that we have and get the money that we most desire. There's going to be times where you're so financially conscious that all you need to do is earn money. There's going to be times where you're financially conscious where all you need to do is spend your money. There's going to be other times where all you need to do is give away your money. Or other times you might have to pay off all those debts. Whatever it is, you've got to figure out exactly which steps you need to take. Because when it comes to financial planning, you need to look at the overall picture. And in order to see that overall picture, you need financial consciousness. Now the question you might be asking is, how do I become more financially conscious? And the best way is to start where you are. You have to look at that overall picture that I talked about. You have to study your bank account and know exactly how you've been spending your money in the last 90 days. How much money have you saved up? How much assets do you currently have access to? How much of it is liquidatable? How much credit do you have? How many coins do you have in the coin jar? Once you consider all these things, you will gain financial consciousness and understand exactly what you need to do when it comes to your financial planning. Now, taking inventory of your money isn't the easiest thing to do because it requires time. It requires thought. It requires you to actually do everything you can to learn about your finances. Now, when it comes to understanding your whole entire financial picture, it's not always the easiest thing to do. Because first, you have to confront yourself. And you have to get real about your current circumstance, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Then you need to have a conversation with the people that you are surrounded by who can actually help you to improve that circumstance. That means you have to talk to your spouse if you have one. You got to talk to your banker. You might have to talk to other people involved who might have access to your money as well. Now, figuring out your financial picture could actually be easy. You might be that 18-year-old college student with just $500 in your pocket and no credit at all. But that doesn't mean you're done. You need to understand if college is actually worth your time, your energy, and your money if you're paying for it. You need to understand exactly what industry you want to enter into and if it's going to pay you exactly what it is that you want. You need to actually build your credit and go to the bank and open up other accounts that can help you to manage the money that you currently have. Whatever it is, no one really has it easy when it comes to figuring out their whole entire financial picture. But once you learn how to do this and manage those responsibilities that you currently have, then your financial consciousness will expand. And like I said before, financial planning will become substantially easier. Alright, there you go, my friends. If you know your money, you will grow your money. Instead of planning financially, you need to expand your financial consciousness. You need to understand your attitudes about money and what you've learned about money up until this point, and also what you need to know for the money that you want to have, the money you want to give, the money you want to spend. Once you understand exactly what I'm saying, you'll be able to expand in enormous ways, and you, my friend, will become wealthy. If you like this video, make sure to comment in the section below and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button because I definitely want to see you on the next video.